पहले हम लोग बहुत ही गरीब थे, खाने के लिए नहीं रहता था, बहुत ही मुसीबत आती थी।
और गाँव वाले जाते मांग भी सुविधा करते के पहला जमीन रखो या चीज़ रखो, जब तुम्हारा कछुआट का काम पैसा देंगे।
जैसा हमारा पानी गिरने लगता तो हम लोग छत्ता लगा के रहते थे ऐसे बैठ के नाइट में।
समस्या की तो मैं 10 साल डही गई से बड़ी दंग में जो मोड़ी मोड़ा पाली मैंने।
पढ़ाई लिखाई करने में भी तकलीफ होती थी।
खेती बाड़ी करते थे जिससे हम लोग का कोई आमदनी नहीं होता था।
मजदूरी करने वाले हैं नहीं, कर नहीं पाते हैं, खाने की भी प्रॉब्लम होती थी, हम लोग ऐसे भूखे प्यासे रहते थे।
Lives of thousands of women have been changed by NSPDT. Today 9,183 women, 20 cooperatives and 2 state-level federations come under NSPDT. Uniquely, the enterprise in its entirety is owned by female farmers. This small idea that even poor can be modern poultry farmers has helped women overcome many odds to realize a better living standard for themselves and their families.
The scenario of poultry industry has changed quite a bit over the years. Private poultry farms, now they are part of big integrators. These integrators are equipped with all backward integrations, and thereby they are able to reduce the cost of production. If we need to survive in this kind of a poultry market, we need to have our own backward integrations like parent farm, hatchery. Besides this, cost of production in poultry, this depend on this cost of chicks and this quality of chicks. Chicks cost comprises of 30% of cost of production, and quality of chicks determines the efficiency of production. So therefore, if you need to have good poultry production, you should have quality chicks, and then price of chicks is also a determining factor. So considering all these factors, we decided to have our own parent farm and hatchery. In fact, our requirement is also big. In Madhya Pradesh, we require almost 12 lakh of chicks every month. Similarly, in Jharkhand, we require 8 to 10 lakh of chicks. And every year, we are adding new producers, new cooperatives. In Assam, we are adding 2,000 new producers in 2 collectives in next 3 years. And today, this cost of production of chicks is 18 rupee, whereas market price is 25 rupee. So therefore, we are cutting 6-7 rupee cost per chicks. Similarly, in Jharkhand also we have set up 2 hatcheries, but we are trying to have our parent farm in Jharkhand as well, expanding the production from 40,000 birds to 80,000 birds, so that we can produce almost 10 lakh chicks per month, which will be catering to the need of our cooperatives in MP.
To produce healthy and good quality chicks is utmost important for NSPDT. Before entering the parent farm and other premises, every vehicle is sanitized to prevent spread of infection. The vehicles are checked for cleanliness and meet the standards set by NSPDT. These poultry cooperatives are the largest production houses in Madhya Pradesh and Jharkhand, having strategic supply line to large urban areas.
From this hatchery, every month we are producing 4.5 to 5 lakh chicks per month, and we used to supply across our cooperative located in 10 different locations starting from Kesla to Bundelkhand regions. We are able to create at least 180 numbers of local livelihoods.
There are scarce employment opportunities in these regions. Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh being India's poorest states, it is here that NSPDT has provided employment to hundreds of women and helped brighten their future. Poultry has been the fastest growing agro-allied sector activity in the past 2 decades in India. The smallholder poultry model has proven that it is possible for small farmers and villagers to be a part of this growing industry and compete with big farmers and integrators.
By catering the interior rural markets, we are able to realize 1 to 2 rupees higher than our competitors. In forward marketing, we have established modern retail shops under the brand name of Suptava Chicken. In near future, we are thinking of entering into the processed chicken segment, which will reduce the volatility further. These whole things are coordinated by centrally established marketing cell of MP Federation.
Success of such a life-changing enterprise of thousands of women requires dedicated and well-trained young professionals. There are many committed young professionals who are putting their soul and brain in these organizations. More such young brains are need of the hour to scale up the operations.
I did my graduation from College of Veterinary Science, Khanapara, and I joined NSPDT. Being a veterinarian, I gotten many more opportunities in government, private sectors, but I chose NSPDT to work for the transformation of life of the tribal people. The organization is much more professional, and I am very glad to be here and work with this organization.
छत्तीसगढ़ से हूँ। मैंने BBSc दुर्ग वेटनरी कॉलेज से किया है। उसके बाद मैंने भुवनेश्वर से MBSc न्यूट्रिशन में किया। गांव की मेंबर हैं, उनका जब अच्छा होता है, मतलब पोल्ट्री से उनको इनकम होता है, तो मुझे बहुत सेटिस्फेक्शन होता है कि मेरा जो काम है, जो मैं कर रही हूँ, उनके कारण उनकी लाइफ चेंजेस आ रही हैं। वो इतना मतलब तरक्की कर रही हैं। अपनी बच्चे को उन लोग प्राइवेट स्कूल में पढ़ा रही हैं, कॉलेज में पढ़ा रहे हैं, और वो डॉक्टर इंजीनियर बनाने का सपना देख रहे हैं। हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के कारण इन लोग का लाइफ इतना चेंज हो रहा है, तो बहुत मुझे खुशी होती है।
I am working in NSPDT and Finance Department. Being a professional qualified chartered accountant, I prefer to work here only. इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जो हम वुमेन अपलिफ्टमेंट के लिए काम करते हैं, वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है। मुझे यहाँ पे काम करके जो सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलता है, घर जाके जो मुझे शांति मिलती है, वो शायद ही किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करके हो।
The day-old chicks are vaccinated before being sent to the poultry farms. The medicines and vaccines are purchased centrally by a purchase committee through NSPDT. The chicks are carefully transported to the women farmers of cooperatives, and thus begins the step that has changed the lives of thousands of female farmers. In the year 2014 to 2015, the producer's income was rupees 130 millions, and sales of rupees 2,699 millions. There still exists scope to scale up and replicate the model in states of Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Assam and Bihar, in addition to the expansion in MP and Jharkhand. A humble aim is to double the outreach to 20,000 farmers, 50 cooperatives, and producer income of rupees 1 billion and turnover of rupees 10 billion in the next 5 years.
Today there are more than 9,000 women poultry producers, and collectively they are doing an annual business of more than 2,700 million Indian rupee. With this increase in size and volume, the management complexities have also increased. So in 2001 we started with 150 producers. So you can see that management complexity that have been increased over these years. Besides that, the biggest challenges that we are facing are resource mobilization to add new producers, to scale up the activity of existing producers, to add on new producers organization, acquire new talents, to groom them, and then building a very efficient professional team who can really work and take this smallholder poultry model forward.
NSPDT hopes to brighten the future and support the dreams of farmers and villagers for years to come.
मुर्गी पालन से पैसा आया, उससे हम अब बच्चों को अच्छे से पढ़ा भी रहे हैं, सोना भी खरीदे हैं, मुर्गी पालन करके ही मकान भी बनाए हैं।
जब हमारा पति छोड़ के चल दिए तो हम लोग ने मुर्गी से ही सब कुछ करा। हम मुर्गी पालने का काम करते हैं, मुर्गी से ही हमारा पैसा आता है।
मुर्गी से ही मैं कास खरीदी हूँ 20 मिल ज़मीन अपना घर के बगल में, और एक खेत बंधक ली हूँ 20,000 में।
जलते हैं आदमी जैसे गांव के। अब जैसे आपने पास पैसा ये नहीं है तो आदमन है जो लग रहा नहीं कि फार्म पर लगा से जो बहुत बड़ी बनत जाए।
और जैसे अब हमने पैसा आएगा, जैसे गांव वाले को गड़त जाए या कोई भी ये व्यक्ति बोल इतना पैसा है तो इनसे ले लो पैसा, तो हम बोला तुम हमें 5% से देते।
खाने पीने के लिए कुछ अच्छा लेते हैं, घर भी बनाए हैं, 2 बनाए हैं, पैसे भी आते हैं हमारे पास। अब भूखे प्यासे नहीं रहते हम लोग।